Are you curious about who your most played artists are on Spotify? In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of accessing your personalized listening stats and revealing your most played artists. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. So the thing is that, currently there is no option on the Spotify app to do this, but there is a quick and easy workaround. To get started, open up any web browser you like, tap on the URL bar, and go to statsforspotify.com. Once you are on this website, log in with your Spotify account. After that, it will give you these three options: top tracks, top artists, and top genres. So in order to find and see your top artists, just tap the top artists button. And now you can see the top artists for the last 4 weeks, the last 6 months, and all time. I currently don't have any artists showing because the account I logged into is for tutorial purposes only. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.